Hi pilots, I hope that you are all doing well. It's been more than a month now since my last video on YouTube, and some of you guys started to worry if I'm still okay. Now luckily I can say that I'm fine, and I have been flying a lot, mostly with my RC helicopters. I just didn't post any videos. Today I decided that I will unbox my RC Autogyro that I have bought on Banggood. And before I'm going to assemble this gyro together, I decided that I will make all the parts, including these wooden ones, that I will design them and 3D print them from PLA. So guys, here it is, the Luobo Autogyro that I'm going to copy and 3D print all of these parts, including the wooden ones. I will see if I will be able to print the blades as well. So here is the Tinkercad. I already started to design some parts, and I already printed these parts today. The yellow ones are the parts printed from a PLA, and these blue ones are the original parts. I'm going to print even the wooden parts, as I said. I already tested if the 3D printed parts are compatible with the original parts. So as you can see, they are. So when all the parts will be designed, the 3D printed parts will serve as a spare parts as well. So as you can see, there is a lot of parts to design, to copy basically. So there is quite a lot of work to be done still, as I have to copy all these wooden parts as well. But once all the work will be done, you know, you will have all the parts available to print quickly. And the broken Autogyro will be able to be repaired very quickly. So that's all that I have to share today. I would like to thank my subscriber Jerry Duncan for caring about me. I wish you all the best. Bye.